everyone, welcome back to my channel and to a brand new video. If you're new around here, my name is Zoe. I do different types of content on this channel, to physical media content, to beauty content. If that's something you are interested in, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below because that would mean the world to me. And yeah, so straight into this video, shall we? Enjoy. Also, don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up as well if you enjoy. I'd also really appreciate it.
I once felt I'm done with the defense. Drove back and climbed over your fence. Had to show you that I was a mess.
No, this might seem pointless, me cleaning all my DVDs, but I just like them to be clean, okay? That's basically it. Also, I'm not bothering to clean the top of these shelves because I cleaned them recently, so I'm just mainly focusing on the bottom shelves. So yeah, just in case you are wondering.
No going back, there's no going back to your old life. Not living in the past, we're over that. I'm feeling it tonight, riding on the dizzying heights. Riding on the dizzying heights. Like nothing could stop us. Sunsets, remember the colors. They were wrong, it was way more than a dream.
You can see I'm just cleaning the rest of these shelves. These shelves honestly get so dusty, it's crazy. So I'm just giving this a quick clean.
There's no going back, no going back. There's no going back to your old life. Not living in the past, we're over that.
So I didn't actually bother cleaning the top of these shelves because I cleaned them a few weeks ago, so there was no need to clean the top of these shelves. I was just cleaning the bottom of these shelves, and as you can see, I'm having a little bit of a sing-song there. I think I was listening to Perry, I'm pretty sure, so yeah, just enjoying, you know, I think a little bit of a sing-song, being silly.
In the past, we're over that. I'm feeling it tonight, riding on the dizzying heights. There's no going back to your old life. Not living in the past, we're over that. I'm feeling it tonight, riding on the dizzying heights. Oh, I'm standing on the dizzying heights. Oh, I'm standing on the dizzying heights. Oh, I'm standing on the dizzying heights.
So as you can see, I'm just, cleaning the rest of, these are basically box sets that I own, so it's mainly like obviously sitcoms. I'm showing you the Simpsons there. Love those DVDs, highly recommend them. So as you can see right here, I'm listening to Talia Mar. She is honestly one of my favourite artists ever. I would love for her to release an album. I'm obsessed with this girl. She is honestly so talented. I could listen to her all day. Also, her new song is amazing. I'm absolutely loving it. So yeah, and that's what I'm listening to right now, and obviously just cleaning the rest of these box sets as well. These are my Simpsons box sets that I absolutely love. So yeah. apologise for the lighting in this section of the video. I'm not too sure what happened with my camera. Maybe I turned the brightness up. Honestly, I have no idea. So I do apologise for that. But yeah, I'm just cleaning the rest of these units. Mainly just, you know, the outside of the unit. As you can see, I'm just moving the camera there. This was so difficult to film because I had to climb on the bed to get to the last of this shelf. So yeah, this was a little bit tricky to film because obviously I had to move the camera and stuff, but it all worked out in the end, which is awesome.
There's no going back to your old life. Not living in the past, we're over that. I'm feeling it tonight, riding on the dizzying heights. Oh, I'm standing on the dizzying heights. Oh, I'm standing on the dizzying heights. Oh.
You can see I went a little bit crazy in this clip because I was like singing along to a song and trying to hit high notes, which obviously I cannot sing for a toffee, so I don't know why I decided to attempt this. But anyway, I am just cleaning this shelf and the last shelf actually. So yeah, just got some makeup brushes there, putting those back, and yeah, obviously continuing to sing.
I'm standing on the dizzying heights. Oh, I'm standing on the dizzying heights. Oh, I'm standing on the dizzying heights. Standing on the dizzying heights. Everything's so much better. Riding high on the river, you and I, we're climbing way up together. Standing on dizzying heights, you make everything so much better. Riding high on the river, you and I, we're climbing way up together. Standing on the dizzying heights.
I'm just continuing to clean and put all these little figures back on the shelf. These are mainly like Mario figures, football figures, just random, literally trinkets and figures and just random stuff. So I'm just putting these back on the shelf, as you can see. And yeah, I don't know what else to say really apart from that.
So when I go, so when I go, so when I go, I know you'll follow me. I don't want to.
I'm going to end this video here, so thank you so much for watching. As always, all my social medias will be linked down below in the description box of this video. If you want to go follow me over there, you can do. I have Instagram, Threads and TikTok, all that fun stuff, as I said, will be linked down below. And yeah, I think that's about it really. Don't forget to give the video a huge thumbs up, share the video around, and yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, have a beautiful day. See you later. Bye.